Hello everyone, welcome to I keep wanting to call it Twisted Hunting, but I'm not doing that since I realized that if I call it like one of my custom names, just to look cool, like, then that just won't get as much. But if it's called the game name, then it'll get so much. Like, I'll give you an example, the Skeleton Curse series. It's all, it went all right. Ah! How's my audio? Yeah, sounds like the audio on my last one was terrible. So we're fixing it. Alright, how are we looking? Oh my god! What is the temp? Oh, I was about to search it on my computer. No, I'm doxing myself then. God, what is the temperature? Bruh, it's May. Come on, load. It's May. Why is it 49 outside? No. Probably illegal, but I don't care. Why is it turning suck? Oh, we got 2 people watching the stream so far. Thanks for so far. We got funnel down right now. Jeez, no wonder why I don't touch. Up there. Big nail closet, dude. What is going on? Alright, back up just a bit. Okay, so it's furniture. If no basement is available, take shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway room such as a closet. Use a blanket or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. Vehicles, evacuate them and get inside substantial shelter. Yeah, sure. Alright, what are we getting? Alright. First interception. Let's see. How we do?
that one. We're running out. See if I can talk to him. Oh my god, look at that. Back up so you get the speed. Yep. Should be good. Forgot how you work. How are they doing? Good, good, good. Back up, I spent $3,000 on it. No way you can speak that much. God. No. Oh boy. Wait, no, it's getting up to you are just dead. Oh my god. One faster. Come on down. Walk down. Walk down. Oh my god. Dear God. Oh my god. Get me a car. Give me my car. Give me my car. Give me my car. I don't care, I'm about to die. Why? No, 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 no. Help. Help. But my car's getting money. I don't care. Spawn my vehicle. Spawn my vehicle. Please, spawn my vehicle. I don't care if I have to wait. Spawn my vehicle. Spawn my vehicle. I'll wait. I'll wait. Vehicle. Tell me, what is in the way for it to not spawn? I don't know. Alright, buy more rockets. Rotate. Faster. There. Hold on a second. Made it. It's in it. And it's leaving it. I'll let that do its thing now. Yeah, it's definitely money getting through. How am I not being on? Want to see some more amazing action? Wish me luck. Going in. Alright, see what we got, boys. Let's see what we got. 10, 6, 7, 8. Tornado sign. Rainbow's coming out. That Daniel's coming out. Oh, I can't right now. Don't. Let's not. Hey, future me here. I know what's going on, but this happened a couple times after. My game like completely froze. Tornado wasn't moving, nothing was moving. I couldn't even move. As you can tell, I'm like in a sitting animation with my holding something at least. So I don't know what was happening, but this happened to me once again, which I will show later on in the video, but I just want to show an example or show what's going on here, in case any of you were confused. So, edit me out for now.
Like, it went
Wait. They might merge into one. I should just get Tamer and intercept it myself. The house didn't get hit by blitz. Oh boy. These tornadoes may intercept each other. If they keep it, these things may just go into one another. Alright, hold up. We gotta get the drone out for this one. We gotta get the drone out for this one. Alright, we gotta get the drone out for this one. It may be hard to tell what is going on in this clip and how it's glitched, but same thing happened here. Like the game completely froze, but this time I can move this time, but
crash into one another.
you can like I thought I was about to get some good content by these two tornadoes intercepting each other, and I could intercept to get good profit, but
Do that?
game froze.
See that?
And from what you can tell on that Roblox problem thing I looked at a couple minutes earlier, it did not look good. So
The dust is just trying to.
I don't know what it looks like now, and I'm not looking right now. So I'm trying to edit like a couple videos today. So anyways,
Yeah, they're just kind of trading.
editor me out. We'll go to the outro.
Hold this one, no, hold this one.
Oh my god, this server! Oh, I got a perfect name for this one. Tornado hunting, but lag. What's today's episode of Tornado Hunting? Interesting. So, if you want to see some more amazing content like this, go to youtube.com/@sunblast_YT and twitch.tv/sunblast. Stop inviting me! @sunblast_YT and twitch.tv/sunblast_. Anyways, everyone, I'll see y'all in the next one. Sunblast out.